Fitbit didn't disappear, it paused. While the market focused on smarter devices, Google held back on the Charge line. As 2026 nears, this silence seems strategic. The Fitbit Charge 7 may not just be another tracker, but could redefine Fitbit's role. The Charge series has always represented Fitbit at its most focused. No distractions, no app overload, just health tracking, battery life, and consistency. After the Charge 6 launched in late 2023, many expected a fast refresh. Instead, Google slowed things down, and that now feels deliberate. Google's wearable strategy is clearer today. Pixel Watch leads the smartwatch space. Fitbit remains strongest in fitness bands, a category Google doesn't compete in elsewhere. That makes Charge 7 strategically important. It isn't designed to replace Pixel Watch. It's meant to sit beside it. Most rumors point toward refinement, not reinvention. A slightly larger AMOLED display is expected to improve visibility outdoors without turning the device into a smartwatch. GPS reliability, a known weakness on the Charge 6, is reportedly being addressed through better antenna placement and smarter signal handling. Accuracy appears to be the focus, not marketing specs. Battery life remains Fitbit's advantage. Expect smarter power efficiency rather than flashy new features. There's also growing talk of USB-C charging, aligning the tracker with Google's broader hardware ecosystem. Health tracking improvements will likely be subtle but meaningful. Better heart rate stability, refined sleep insights, and improved stress metrics. If Charge 7 arrives in 2026, it won't chase trends. It will aim to quietly get the fundamentals right. Fitbit Charge 7 may not shout when it launches, but it could quietly become one of the smartest wearable decisions of 2026. Would you wait for a refined fitness tracker, or are smartwatches already the future for you? Drop your honest opinion below. Let's talk about it.